Hello everybody, I am the Tech Boy with the techboy.org and I am unboxing the Bocoice Blade speaker. Now, this technically really isn't a speaker. As you can see here, it has a bone conducting transducer, which means if you place it on a flat surface like cardboard or a table or something like that, then it will use bone conduction to make sound using that. It's also nice that it has an FM radio built in, and it uses USB-C charging, which I think is great. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing me set up this speaker. Now, the speaker also has, like I said, FM radio, interesting, and the sticky pad, there we go, charging, LED indication light, and a nice USB-C speaker. I'm really impressed right here. The sound quality sounded okay on here, nice and loud, a little bit scratchy on the cardboard, but it will depend. Maybe we can try this on a table, on glass. Because of the suction cups here, theoretically you could put this on a window, on a bathroom mirror, and it doesn't say anything about it being water resistant, so I wouldn't say do it like that if you're going to put it in the speaker and in the shower. But there's the power button and the function button. It's a very simple design. I like that it comes included with a cable and a lanyard, which is more accessories than you'll get to see from some major smartphone companies. So yes, I'm glad that it still comes with this and nice USB-C cable. You can still use it to charge your phone, even though it's like 6 inches. It's 5 volts. The packaging is small, the instructions are easy. So it's an interesting speaker, and I hope to have a full review out soon. Tech talk to you later. Bye.